Hi everyone. We're already in Kokomas restaurant inside because outside so noisy, music, bars, and now we order already chicken noodle soup in Kokomas restaurant. I want to say why I not go with Shaira. Shaira don't like go to walking street right now. Later maybe she will go, but not right now. So I will go to Walking Street, Fields Avenue alone, not with Shaira. These days only. Later she can go alone, but she need to rest a little bit. Hi Georgy.
Hi.
You not been in the Philippines 3 weeks. Please explain to our subscribers what you doing in Thailand, just step by step. And why you go to Thailand, you just explain to us. If you can shortly.
Okay, the reason I go to Thailand is for my mental health. So when I go from Russia to Philippines, I was addicted to YouTube channels and watch much news about situation in Russia, what happens in Russia-Ukraine war, and I was addicted to this news, so it makes me mentally bad feeling. So I found meditation, international meditation center in Thailand. So I decided to go there. So 3 weeks for meditation because I know it may help me and it helps. So I go to Thailand. It's on the north of Thailand near Chiang Mai. The place is named Wat Chomtong. It's near Buddhism, near Buddha temple. International meditation center, yes. And what I did there?
How much? How you go? How you pay?
How much? I cannot say how much because they don't have price. So when you finish your study, when you finish your practice in the last day, you give money. How much you can give? How much you want to give?
Up to you.
So you put
like
you put money in the white
envelope.
Yes, and you give money to
Staff
yes.
who work inside.
So they recommend to give how much you spend money when you live in the town, in the city. So you can approximately understand how much you can give. It's up to you. But what next?
So you.
What?
So first you go to from Clark Airport to Bangkok Airport. From
Yes,
Bangkok Airport you take another flight to Chiang Mai.
Yes.
From Chiang Mai, how you go to this place? Way delivery, have a shuttle or?
No. It's bus. It costs about 40 Thai baht. So, and it's from Chiang Mai to this place about 50 kilometers.
50
kilometers, yes,
about 1 hour.
50, yes.
About 1 hour.
Yes, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes because traffic. It depends what day you go, what time you go.
When you already arrive, what you do it first day?
First day. So they accommodate me in the house. Each participant live in each own house. It's small house, about 3 to 4 meters, and you have your own bathroom, So you have everything for sitting here, for walking here, because meditation is 3 steps. So you need to do something.
House, it's a wooden or what kind of house? Bamboo house.
So the houses are several houses, wooden, several stone. So I live in stone. My friend who tell me about this place, he was in November. He live in wood house. So I know the difference because in stone house temperature maybe shift from outside temperature. So when already cold, for example, night time, in my stone house still good temperature.
But now cold nighttime or not?
Sometimes it was cold, sometimes it was 19 degrees inside my house. So outside was about 16 degrees.
In house 19.
Yes, it's cold for me.
In the house have hot water or only cold water?
Yes, hot water, yes. They have fan, so you can sit and use fan.
You cannot use mobile phones. You cannot
Yes,
use
yes,
internet.
yes. And important things. You don't. It's prohibited to use mobile phone, notebook, laptop. So everything you can do is you cannot write anything, you cannot read anything, except they give you some instructions. You can read.
So you cannot even use take picture camera, also not allowed.
I don't know about this. I think it's allowed. So they can take your phone if you're not sure about. You cannot. You can stand away from your phone. So, but it's not. It's up to you.
So 3 weeks you not take your phone, you not use your phone, you don't have any information from outside.
Yes, yes, yes. It's important because the goal of this practice, the practice named with Vipassana. Vipassana, it means to see the things like they are. So to see through, it means to see the things like they are. So what we do, we
From morning, yes, you need to eat first. What time you start? You wake up and what
yes.
time eat? What kind of food also?
Wake up 4 a.m. It's
4
early morning.
a.m.?
Yes, and it's still dark outside and very cold. So from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. I can do practice. I can in my house, and at 6 a.m. I go to the breakfast. So I take the how to say big plate. So I go to the place where I can get food and go back to the kitchen where I live and eat there.
What kind of food?
It's Thai food, usually Thai food. Sometimes spicy, something not spicy. So you can choose. I have pictures. I show you.
Yes, you can send me picture. I will.
No, I cannot show you food. I show you this plate with several holes inside, so you can put food inside. And it's about 300 meters to walk from my place to the place where I get food, and return also 300 meters. So after the breakfast, you can I meet with my teacher about 7:30. After that, I can do practice before 11.
What kind of practice? What you do it? Because some of
Okay.
people don't know what is this practice. What you do it?
Practice is it's a three parts. Meditation consists of three parts. It's first is mindful prostration. It's when I do something and I need to do mindful. So I need to do it mindfully. It means each movement I understand and I tell inside my head, inside my mind what I do now. So it helps me to do it mindfully. After mindful prostration, the next part is mindful walking. So I do walking inside my house, or maybe I can practice it outside in the hall, meditation hall, where other participants also meditate. I do each step mindfully and I understand what I do now. So I move like this, I do up, move forward, step down, touching. So each step I understand what I do. And next, I sit and I breathe. I breathe and feel everything what happens. So breathe in, breathe out, sitting, and I put my attention to some points in my body. So they teacher explain me each day what I should to do now, from today. The goal of this practice is to return my attention to the moment of now. So if I sit and think about something, I notice this and I return to the moment of now. I notice thinking. So I return to now and try to practice, to continue practice, to feel my breath in, breathe out, sitting. If I feel something, if I hear something outside, for example, and my attention go somewhere outside of my body, outside of my breathing, so I again notice this. I tell myself, so I hear something or I feel something, and I return to the breath again. So I breathe in, breathe out. So each part of practice is doing mindfully. So I should be in the moment of now. And my attention in the moment of what is going on right now, not somewhere in the past or in the future, because it's difficult. You can try to sit and to sit, for example, 5 minutes and do nothing. So it's difficult because your mind goes to past, to future. You thinking about something. So the practice makes me more mindful because I am going to stay in the moment of now.
We already have our chicken noodle soup. Long time, Georgy, not a chicken noodle soup.
Yes.
Okay, we continue, Georgy.
Yes, I do practice before 11 because 11 is lunch time. I also go to the place to get food and eat. After the lunch, we cannot eat anymore until the next morning.
One time a day?
No, breakfast 6, lunch 11.
6 and 11 only.
After
Two
12,
times.
after 12 o'clock, you cannot eat anything. You can only drink. So it's because it's in Buddhism. Buddha teach to live like this. Don't eat anything after 12 o'clock. So after lunch we also go practicing. You can do it in your house or you can go to meditation hall. Вот. And in one day you practice about 12 hours, maybe more. Because after you do meditation, 3 part, you can walk somewhere outside. You can walk around the lake. So sometimes I can go to the city, to 7-Eleven to buy something. So what next? Sometimes we go to Buddha temple. It's because we have ceremony after in the first day or maybe second day after I go there. We have ceremony, and in the last day. And one day was in December 31 because they have some event before New Year. And one day was Buddha day. Also we go to temple for ceremony.
Have many people, and you cannot meet with people. And what nationality?
Yes, many people. I don't know how much. There are many houses. So in the part when I live, it was 12 houses, but it's only one part. There was hundreds of houses.
Same houses, so
Maybe not exactly the same, but similar. Yes, small house, many.
So it's big place, big place.
Several hundreds, yes, and participants from different countries. So they can teach you English, Spanish, Russian.
They speak in Russian with you or not?
Yes.
Really?
I have Russian teacher. Yes.
It's Russian or can speak Russian?
It's an international meditation center. So Vipassana International Meditation Center. So they can teach you several languages. So English, Spanish, Germany, French, Russian, Arabian. So you can go to website and look. So.
About you cannot communication with people.
Yes. There are some rules. The main rule, you cannot talk with other participants, with other meditators. So even when I live there, there were many Russians, but I don't tell with anyone because it's not allowed. I speak only with my teacher, who is also teach me in Russian. And what else?
How you celebrate New Year? New Year.
I did not celebrate, so because it's a very quiet place, so no music, no noise.
Dogs nearby.
Yes, it's every day very quietly.
So it's a so silent place.
For me, yes, very good. I like this. So nobody talk with me, nobody ask anything. No music, no noise. So
Okay, now after meditation, after you, when you come back already from the Thailand? What you feel now? It's help to you. It's better for you.
Yes, I feel better because the main thing the main goal I go there, get rid of the garbage in my mind. So because I watch too much YouTube, I watch too much news about what happened in Russia.
Political YouTube channel,
Yes,
I know.
yes.
Yeah.
So too much garbage in my head. And when I sit alone, when I try to notice everything what happens, where my mind goes, what I am thinking about. Uh, so I understand. So the main goal is to be here and now. So, and side effects of this practice is I see the world, I see things more bright, and I see more juicy. So it means literally bright. So I see colors more bright than was before. But my teacher tell me it's not our goal. It's only side effect. But it's very cool.
What about girls? You cannot meet with.
No, no, no.
It's okay.
By the rules, you cannot no sexual activity when you there. So
Inside,
21 days, no sexual activity. Men and women live separate.
Even wife and husband, they live separate in different rooms.
Yes, it's different. It's separate house, not even room.
Even cannot talk together, yeah?
Yes, you cannot talk. You can talk only with
Teacher.
Yes, and maybe if you have something to ask in
Stuff for work.
stuff. Yes.
Okay, Georgy. Now you feel better already.
Yes, but yes, I understand. I need to continue practicing because.
So you will continue practicing in the Philippines
yes,
in your home.
not in the Philippines. Yes, in my home, in my room, in my apartment. I can do this. So it's we last 3 days we practicing almost without sleeping.
So last days you not sleep.
They recommend don't sleep, and if you sleep when you sit in meditation, it's okay. You can sit, meditate, and if you sleep, sometimes several minutes, it's okay. But you cannot lie down on your bed. You cannot sleep. So. And now I meditate in my apartment. Yes, it takes maybe 30 minutes only, but I need to keep going to continue. Maybe 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour in a day. I think it's enough.
Okay, Georgy, thank you for.
So I don't know what to tell else because maybe if you have questions.
Yeah, maybe some of people who have questions,
Yes.
they can comment and or we can live stream maybe in few days.
You can Google what is it Vipassana meditation. You can do it by yourself. No, it's maybe not necessary to go somewhere like I did. I did it because I understand I cannot do it by myself. I cannot do it in my apartment in the Philippines because I know I cannot restrict my behavior because my mobile phone here, my laptop here, internet here. So I'm not sure I cannot do it. But when I go there, I have 3 weeks and I cannot use no mobile phone, no laptop, no internet. So I have only time for meditation. So if you can do it by yourself, it's okay. You can do. You can check what is it Vipassana.
Even in home, it's
Yes.
okay. Yes. Okay, Georgy, thank you. Guys, we also want to say about politics. We hate war. We don't like what do it Russian government now. We don't like. Some of commenting or haters say we need to go to Russia, go to Ukraine, to war. We don't like war. That's why we not accept. Georgy don't like and me don't like. That's why please not, who haters, please not say about politics. We don't want to war everywhere. Even now in Gaza war, everywhere we hate war. So please understand us. Thank you for watching. We will eat now in what restaurant? Kokomas. I already forgot. Long time not been because Kokomas restaurant, chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. This already have bill 225 peso. It's total 430 peso. 215 pesos. Sorry guys. So we will eat now because maybe already not hot. Thank you for watching.